Back to school spending last year hit a record $146 billion. And most print-on-demand sellers are going to sleep right through it because they're too busy prepping for quarter four. But that's a huge mistake. See, quarter four is going to always be there. And we also need something to grab that customer in so that we can resell them during that quarter. If you don't have anything to sell, then why are they going to come back at all? So today I'm going to break down 5 products: t-shirts, tote bags, water bottles, coffee mugs, and hats. Who actually buys each one and how to fulfill every order using Gelato. So let's get right into this. Now the first thing, t-shirts. And this one is great because you're not selling to one audience here. You're selling to 2. We'll start with the teacher side. Every August, entire teams order matching shirts. Second grade crew, kindergarten squad, things like that. Some even throw their name across the back like it's a jersey. And here's what most sellers actually miss. Teachers don't buy just one at a time. They buy these all throughout the year. Not to mention, one teacher finds your listing, sends it to her group chat, and next thing you know, that single sale turns into 6 shirts. That's why teacher tees outperform almost every other one in this season. Look at these numbers here. These aren't old listings either. This one, 119 sales in the past month. Or how about this one, 393. And how would you grab them back for quarter four? Check out this, a quarter zip brought in over 3,000 last month. And it's not even cold yet. Now, flip it to the other side, students, first day milestone shirts like first day of kindergarten with their name on it. Because every parent takes that front porch picture and then posts it online. Check it out, 47 sales already this month. Or how about just the name at 71 sales and 2,000 over the past 2 years. Now for fulfillment, Gelato gives you multiple options here. So you have elevated apparel, men's, women's, and kids, as well as brand options. Because every kid loves to throw out what brand they're repping that year. Now one more thing, with the Personalization Studio, it handles the name and grade field with a simple drop down in text. No messaging back and forth with that customer asking, hey, what do you want? They just pick 3rd grade, type Mrs. Alvarez, and you're done. Now the next one, tote bags. And this one is the teacher territory. See, teachers haul work home every single night. Grading, laptops, snacks, and all those supplies that they have to buy with their own money. That bag gets used all year round. A personalized teacher tote isn't a novelty purchase either. It's their equipment. And who's buying it? Not the teacher. Half the time, it's the parent grabbing a first week gift. Which means when you list this, you need to speak to the gift buyer. Write gift for teacher instead of teacher tote. And just scrolling through Etsy, you can see these sales numbers. And if you notice, some are printed and others are embroidered. Now the good news is that Gelato has you covered on both. The printed tote is good for full designs, teacher's name, and that low price. Plus it moves pretty fast. Then you could take that exact same concept and just offer it in an embroidered version. Stitch named or monogram, that premium feel, that premium price. Now that version can sell for $10 to $15 more. And your only extra work was clicking that different option in the catalog. Also for quarter four, tote bags, huge sellers for Halloween. So bring that customer back. Because remember, the customer was the parent, not the teacher. Now number 3, water bottles. Every school sends home that supply list that says, hey, please label all your child's belongings. Parents are literally instructed to put the name on things. So a water bottle with the kid's name printed directly on it isn't a decoration, it's the label. It's the reason that bottle comes home from Lost and Found instead of it staying there till June. Now you can obviously go with plastic bottles, but kids squeeze the crap out of that. Next thing you know, it breaks and you have to buy a new one. Check this one out, 17 ounces stainless steel. Now you already know, yes, it's gonna get some dings, but it's gonna last that kid the entire school year. And that is important. Now number 4, coffee mugs. And understand this, before you design a single one, the teacher is not your customer. Again, it's the parent. See, mugs are the default teacher gift in this country, and they get bought in 3 waves: the first week of school and the last week of school. Also, don't forget about Teacher Appreciation Week in, I think it's May. Now here's where most sellers blow this. They upload that best teacher ever, and they wonder why it doesn't move. That design has been played out. It's dead. You have to be different. Like, look at this, check it out. 5,000 sales in just 8 months. You win by offering something that's still teacher focused, but not doing that same boring cliche that everybody else is. Now, what I want you to do is offer these in different variations. Options like colored, 11 ounce, 15 ounce, and even magic mugs. The ones that change color when it gets warm. And I've tested these mugs myself. I did an entire video on it. I ordered a mug from Gelato on a Monday evening, and it arrived at my door on Friday. And that matters here more than anything because a gift buyer has deadlines. A parent shopping on August 5th expects it on the 10th, and they need to trust your shipping and the packaging. Remember, like I always say, this is your business, so quality matters. Now the last one, hats and beanies. And this is for students, high schoolers and college kids. Embroidered dad hats with small, clean text, they've been running strong for a while. And beanies take over when it starts getting cold, which is exactly why this is the best thing to list now. The hats sell, and then the beanies are gonna bring them back for Q4. Now you have a few different options here. You have trucker hats, snapback, dad hats, and of course brand names. Plus, here's the thing, true embroidery. Stitched, raised, finish, it's gonna read like a $30 hat instead of a cheap $10 one. And I did a whole video on this, just like the mugs. I even show examples and the quality and how fast it was delivered. But one thing I need to let you know, because I'd rather you hear this from me than somewhere else. Embroidery takes longer to produce than printing. See, it's the nature of stitching versus printing, obviously. Well, maybe some people don't understand. But anyway, you need to build that into your shipping estimates, okay? Don't promise the print speed when you are a stitched product. That premium feel gets a premium price, but if you lie about the shipping, then people aren't gonna come back. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. And make sure you have that extended shipping time. Also, embroidered products, unfortunately, can't be connected to the TikTok shop. Everything else we covered in this video can connect. So all your products can live right on there. But stitching does take longer, and because of the 2-day turnaround that TikTok requires, it can't be done. So just stick with Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify for that. Also, one more warning here, don't put actual school names, mascots, or logos, especially for colleges. Please, they are licensed property and it's going to get your shop shut down. Just sell the custom look, that's what sells anyway. The arch text, the varsity style, the city names, the years, the generic phrases. The aesthetics is what's trending, okay? Not the school name. So now you're probably wondering which one should I launch? Just pick one, anyone, and go. You can't go wrong with any of these. And here's the thing, this isn't plan it for the next video or let's just wait on it. You need to start designing this week and launch it. So after this, click out of here and start launching products. Let's build up that back to school and get you ready for Q4. Trust me, they work both hand in hand more than most people think. If you have any questions, drop them below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.